Hello guys, and welcome back in this new video in our C++ series where we're going to talk about the switch statement. The switch statement is a powerful control flow tool in programming that allows you to execute different blocks of code based on the value of a single variable or expression. Unlike multiple if-else conditions, the switch statement provides a cleaner, more efficient way to handle scenarios where a variable can take multiple distant values. It's commonly used in languages like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, and more. In this video, I will show you exactly how the switch statement works in syntax and when to use it effectively. So let's start with the syntax of a switch statement. As you can see, we're going to start by switch. In the parentheses, we're going to provide our expression. And after that, we're going to open our curly braces and define the different cases that we have. Case value 1, we're going to provide the code to execute if expression is equal to value 1, then break. Case value 2, we're going to do the same, then break, and more case as needed. And finally, we're going to have the default case where we're going to provide the code to execute if no case matches. Okay? So let's jump on our code line terminal quickly right there. We're going to write a switch case statement about a program to ask about a program with a purpose to ask to the user what grade they expect on an exam and tell them what they need to score to get it. Okay, so we're going to start our code with our preprocessing or our preprocessor include IOStream. Then we're going to add our namespace standard. Okay, after that we're going to start to write our main function. Okay, so I'm going to define first the character variable layer grade. Okay, then I will see out to the user enter the layer grade you expect on the exam and stock it in the variable that we have created. Then after that, I will be able to write my switch statement formula. Okay, so I'm starting with switch exactly as we saw in the structure in a couple seconds ago, and we are switching the layer grade, okay, which is the variable that we have defined, and we open curly braces, case lowercase a or uppercase a. If it's the choice of the user, see out you need a 90 or above study hard NL, and we're going to do the break. If it's B, okay, if it's the case B, see out you need between 18 and 89 for a B. Go study, okay. If it's a C, okay, always lowercase or uppercase because the user can write one between the both, and we're still gonna be able to get a good answer. Okay, you need 670 or 79 for an average grade. Break. If it's the case D, you should strive for a better grade. All you need is 60 to 69 and break. The case F is the case for fail. Okay, for this case I've opened curly braces and I've added a couple more conditions. Okay, I've created inside my curly braces the confirm character. Okay, and I've initialized it to 0. Okay, so I said see out are you sure y/n, and I'm going to keep the result in the variable confirm. Okay, so if the confirm is equivalent to lowercase y or uppercase y, see out, okay, I guess you didn't study, okay? Else if confirm is equivalent to n lowercase or uppercase n, which means no, see out good, go study. Else, see out illegal choice and break. And finally, we have our default defined by sorry, not a valid grade. Okay, and we close our big curly braces here and return 0. Okay, so I've tried to develop a little bit more the fail case in order to make you work a little bit on the previous stuff that we talk about on how to use if statement and so on. Okay, so this is the or variable in the logic. Okay, if you have question, let me know in the comment. Okay, I will be happy to help. Okay, so once I have defined this, I'm gonna compile my code. I'm gonna rebuild it. I'm gonna build it and just execute it. Okay, so let's make sure that our project is the one that is on both on the left side here. So I'm gonna build it first. Okay, after that I can click on build over there, or I can make Control F5 and click on execute. Enter the letter grade you expect on the exam. Okay, I will say A. You need a 90 or above study. You need a 90 or above study art. Okay, it's worked good. I'm gonna test the last option for fail, and we're gonna see if everything was good. F. Are you sure? So we get inside of our nested condition. I'm gonna say no. Good, go study. Okay. So I'm gonna run again, and I'm gonna choose yes for the last one. Okay, I guess you didn't study. So that's a little bit it about the switch statement. Okay, I hope that you are understanding everything about it now, and if you have learned something about that switch statement on C++, I will really appreciate if you leave a thumbs up or if you subscribe to this channel. And I want to say once again thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.